Continuing to our AutoCAD class. In the previous class, we learned about the layers, how to use layers. Today, we will talk about properties in AutoCAD. How important is the properties? After watching this video, you will know. Suppose I have a small room drawing. In front of that room, there is a road passing. This is just for practicing. Inshallah, we will start how to make the houses plan and road cross section, like we will study in the detail, but this now for understanding the uses of properties in AutoCAD. So I will take copy from this drawing and I will show you how the important of using the properties. First you must know where is the properties. So if I delete this bar, from here you can get the properties bar from in AutoCAD. If you right click on the draw or the modify bar, from here there is a properties from here, or you can go to tools, toolbar, and then AutoCAD. From here you can select the properties bar and it will appear here. You must put always on top here, it must be in your AutoCAD drawing always. So what will I do? Before taking copy, I will tell you what is inside this bar. There is color, the type of line, the thickness, and by color we are using here, so it's also here. Okay. Here there are many type of line available, and other you can make your own and then you can load from here. If you want another style, you can create and you can delete from here. You can load and then you can use this one. Okay, let's start. I will take copy from this simple drawing, a room and outer wall and a road in front of them. I will take copy uh, and I will use properties on it, and you will see now. Then I would suppose this is the center line of the road. So center line of the road is always white only. It is on like a center. We will use center for this one. Now you can see this dashed line. The outer wall, sometime the shoulder of the road, we use it the color yellow color. And if you want to look it good, you can take a small offset like 50 centi to 50 centimeters, but my drawing is not on the scale, so I will just take 50 centimeters from here and from here. So I will select these two outer line and I will give color, it's the blue color. Now you can see how it's for this one. You must use the break line command. And break line you must write here. So from this point it will start it, from this point it will end, and there is a center for this one. So this symbol is looking good. When somebody will see this drawing, he will understand that this road is continue up to, we don't, if we don't know something is continue, we use this type of symbol which is called break line. So I will take copy on this side also. I will delete the line also showing that this project, the road is ending, and this symbol showing that this is continued line. So okay, the outer wall, suppose this is guardrail or type of wall. So what will I do? I will change the color is to, suppose I use red color, and this one, this fence, I will use this pen for. So for the door I will use the blue color. As by layer I use here. For the stairs I will use, you can use another color, but now I'm using this yellow color. And the above, the head, what thing is above from your head, you can show it by dash. So from here you must select the dash line, and if it is looking, the dash line looking very away from one, press Ctrl 1, then the properties will appear. And from the line type scale you must select this you must first select this one, and then from here give 0.5, so then the dash will be near 0.25 like this, and you can adjust the scale. The smaller value than 1, the dash will be near more like 25 something like this. Now you can see this dash line. If it is not looking good, you can increase 0.40 like this, and now it is look good. Okay, the outer wall is also these are also walls, so I will use color red color for them. Okay, for this I will use the green color. The different color are using for so anyone who will see this drawing, he will understand my layer I will use. Okay, so now if you sometime we want to show something because we did not use this one, so sometime we want to use something looking thicker in our drawing. Suppose I want to show this, the center line of the road must be looking thicker. So before I will show you, if you see the print preview of this drawing, okay, I will take PDF, so then window, I will show you what is the meaning of if you see the preview. Now you can see this the thickness of the all lines are approximately same. So when you give thickness to some thing like I will select this line and I will give thickness to not too much here, and then I will control P the previous plot window. I will check how it is looking. I will show you. Now you can see this line is looking thicker than the other one. So this one we are using in this dash line, you can see here. So these are the uses of the properties. If you see this one, now compare both the drawing. Suppose if I will take the print from this one, no, it's not looking good on or in the print preview. If you will see, it's a dark color line, nobody understand. Someone will understand, but not much people will understand what is this. But for this one, if you see this, if somebody see, it's looking pleasant. So these are the uses of the properties in AutoCAD. You can use the properties to understand. You must know these the uses of these properties. This is also very important, so that's why I discussed with you. Okay, that's all today video. Thank you.